Hey there, welcome back to PACERTalks About Bullying. I'm Bailey, we're glad you're here. We are so excited for the 5th Annual Unity Awards coming up on May 22nd. This is an event that we hold right here in Bloomington, Minnesota to celebrate and recognize amazing individuals, schools, and community groups that are helping to create a world without bullying. In this week's episode, we want to share 2 past recipients of the Unity Awards to get you inspired on who you may be able to be nominating in your community. So let's get started with our first award recipient. The first past Unity Award recipient that we wanted to highlight in this video is Lockhart Elementary School from the U.S. Virgin Islands. They had 2 amazing clubs at their school that were nominated for that Unity Award. The Lockhart School's Primary Explorers, Artists, and Future Architects Recess Club is comprised of approximately 35 to 50 students who have taken a stand against negative behavior. The Lockhart School's Performing Artist in Action Club is a social action group made up of 10 students who use singing, dance, chanting, skits, and poetry to empower their peers and other students to turn away from bullying during recess time. These clubs were nominated because students come together to enforce the virtues and citizen character skills of kindness, respect, cooperation, diversity, compassion, and unity. The second past Unity Award recipient that we're highlighting is the Notes of Kindness crew from Minnesota. These were 5 amazing students that made a huge impact at their school. Addison, Ava, Jordan, Tegan, and Nora, students at John Adams Middle School, wanted to brighten everyone's day by spreading messages of hope and encouragement. Together, these 6th grade girls cut out a ton of shapes using Post-it notes and wrote kind messages on them. They then stuck 1,400 notes on every student's locker. It took the girls over 2 weeks to handwrite and shape the notes with messages such as "Smile, it looks good on you," and "You are amazing in so many ways." And while those are just 2 of our past Unity Award recipients, we've celebrated many individuals, schools, and community members over the past 5 years at this awesome event. If you know someone in your school or community that's helped to create a world without bullying, submit a nomination by April 22nd. We have the link right down below. That's all that we have for this week's episode. We'll see you right back here next week. And remember, together we can create a world without bullying. See ya!